Clipping masks. Clipping masks, super useful, especially if you need to work what they call non-destructively. So if you need to remove something from an image, like rub it out, instead of using the eraser, quite often it's better to use a clipping mask. So what we've got here is a little avocado. How very millennial of me to choose an avocado for this tutorial. Anyway, I've already made my selection here. You can see the marching ants, and it goes around this to save some time on the video. All we do is click this little button here, which is a clipping mask, and it deletes the background. But the background isn't deleted, it's just been masked. So the black areas in this mask are hiding and the white areas are showing. So if you take your brush, so the white areas are showing and the black areas are hiding. Let's make this a bit more obvious. So if you want the pink to come back through, you just got to brush it back in. If this isn't working for you, it's because these aren't white and black. So you need to click on this button here and they'll turn to white and black. Right? So if you want to see a bit more of the background, let's say you want to put like a nicer sort of more of just a pink halo around this. Or if you need, or let's say maybe we fudged it a little bit. I think I messed it up here. There you go. So you can see there. With the paintbrush, we'll go to a hard round. Maybe a bit more of precision there with the pressure sensitivity. And then with the white, we can just paint it in. Or if we decide we want to go the other way, we swap these two colors around. You can use the X key or just there. So make sure these are black and white, just swap them around. And that deletes it. But it hasn't really deleted it, it's just hidden it. So then we zoom out. So it does take a little bit of getting used to, making sure that this is black and white, knowing that these black areas are what's hidden and that's what's showing. If you want to turn it off but not delete it, you can right click and disable the layer mask, or just delete it or enable it. So when I move this image, so with my black arrow, when I move it, the clipping mask moves with it. That's because it's chained in here. So if you remove this chain, this clipping mask will stay still, but the image will move. Sorry, other way around. Yeah, so you can see there's a white box around that. Sorry, yeah. So the clipping mask is being moved, but the image is staying still. Or you can select your image, and that'll move within the image. Or chain them back together and they stay like that. So just to go over it again, let's say I wanted to delete the pip out of this, the stone, using the paintbrush, make that bigger. So the black is going to hide it and the white is going to show. So with the black, I can hide this like so, and you can just rub it out. Or if I want to bring it back, you know, like that. Or you can even use lasso tools. So if that was black, you can just oh, it's the other way around when you lasso for some reason. But yeah, so I had the feathering on there, so the white is hiding now and the black is showing. But I think that's because the eraser is the opposite to the paintbrush. So on the eraser it's white hides, black shows, and on the paintbrush it's black hides and white shows. Okay, so give that a go and see what you think.